Writing your own product description can feel like pulling teeth. You stare at the screen, you type a few words, then delete everything and start over. Sound familiar? The truth is, most creators and small business owners aren't trained copywriters. And that's okay, because writing descriptions that actually convert isn't about being clever, it's about being clear. And with the right formula or the right tool, you can write descriptions that make people click buy now, even if you've never sold anything before. Here's something wild. According to research from Nielsen Norman Group, users read only about 20% of a page, but strong product descriptions can increase conversions by over 78%. That's the power of clarity and trust. So let's break it down into simple steps. Tip 1. Start with the main benefit, not a feature. Don't say this planner has 12 weekly spreads. Say plan your entire week in 10 minutes or less, so you stay focused, not frazzled. That's what your customer wants. Tip 2. Speak directly to the buyer. Use words like you and your. For example, this preset helps you turn dull photos into scroll-stopping shots in seconds. Simple, conversational, effective. Tip 3. Make it skimmable. Use short lines. Highlight what it's for, what it does, and how it helps. If your product is a Notion template for freelancers, write, designed for busy freelancers. Organize your tasks, deadlines, and payments in one place. Never miss a client deadline again. That's way better than a generic wall of text. Now here's the shortcut. Use a tool like AI Creator Max. You just enter what the product is, who it's for, and what it helps with. Click Generate. You get 3 clear, benefit-driven versions written for you in under a minute. No writing skills needed. No guesswork. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. I post weekly shortcuts to help you sell smarter and faster. And if you want to try it now, go to aicreatormax.com. Start writing descriptions that actually convert, without ever writing from scratch again.